You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low.
Welcome to our general mathematics subject. So, for today's video lesson, I will teach you about how to distinguish rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality. So, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe class, sa mga bagong nanonood sa video natin, so, click lang yung subscribe button, tsaka yung notification bell para sa mga bago nating lesson weekly. So, let's start. What is a rational equation? So, a rational equation is an equation involving rational expressions. So, for example, 5 over x minus 3 over 4x equals 17 over 4x. Okay, next, what is a rational inequality? It is an inequality involving rational expressions. So, for example, 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 over x plus 1. And then we use the symbol greater than or equal, and then 3 over 4x plus 5. Next, what is a rational function? So a rational function of the form f of x equals p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial function, and q of x is not a zero function. So in symbol, we write q of x should not be equal to 0. So example of a rational function is f of x equals 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, so for example, let's try class. Determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, or a rational inequality, or none of this. So for letter A, we have 3 plus x over x minus 1 equals 9. So ang tatandaan lang natin, class, in distinguishing rational equation, function, or inequality. So pag rational equation, class, we use the symbol equal. Since the word equation is used, so coming from the word equal. Okay? And then for the rational function, so since we studied about a function, we use the symbol y equals a rational expression, or the notation for function, which are f of x or g of x. Okay, so for that is for rational function. And for inequality, take note of the symbol, the usage of the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and then less than or equal. So, tingnan natin dito. So, dito class, mapapansin natin, sa letter A, the usage of equal sign. So, in letter A, that is a rational equation. And then for letter B, we have here a rational expression, and then we have here the notation of function. So, letter B is a rational function. Okay? And then letter C, we have here a rational expression. So, class, when we transpose this, so it will become minus here. And then if we write it as a single fraction, then we will have here a rational expression. So, and then the usage of the less than or equal sign. So, this is a rational inequality. Okay? So, for letter D, we have 5x less than or equal to the square root of 6x plus 3. So, this is a radical expression. So, meron tayo ditong radical sign. And then, we have here a monomial. So, this is a not any of rational function, rational equation, or rational inequality. Okay, let's try some more. You can try to answer this. So this is the activity 1 in your module in general mathematics. Okay, so you can pause this video and try to answer these 10 items. Then later we will reveal the answer. Okay, so have you tried answering it, class? Okay, you can check your own work. Let's answer it all together. Okay, so direction is given the following expression, decide whether each is a rational function, a rational equation, or a rational inequality, or none of this. Okay, for number 1, we have y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so the answer is none of this. So it's just a polynomial function. Okay. Number 2, we have f of x equals x squared plus 5 over 2x minus 1. Okay, so we have here a rational expression rather, and then we have here the notation of a function. So number 2 is a rational function. Okay? For number 3, we have here a radical expression. So this is the answer here is none of this. All right. For number 4, we have here a rational expression on both sides, and then the usage of the greater than or equal sign. So this is a rational inequality. Okay? For number 5, we have here a rational expression and the notation for function, which is f of x. So number 5 is a rational function. Okay? Did you get it? For number 6, 9x minus 13 over 2x plus 14. So this is a rational expression. And also on the other side, we have there a rational expression and the usage of equal sign. So this is a rational equation. Alright? So for number 7, we have here a radical expression on the denominator. So this is, the answer here is none of this. Okay? For number 8, we have here a rational expression and the usage of inequality sign, the greater than or equal sign. So this is a rational inequality. Alright? For number 9, we have here a we have here an exponent which is a fraction. So this is not a polynomial expression. So the answer here is none of this because in a rational function class, the numerator and the denominator should be a polynomial function. Okay? Then for number 10, we have here rational expression and the usage of equal sign. So this is a rational equation. Okay? Okay, let's have another activity. True or false. So write true if the statement is true. And if not, write false and give the correct answer. Okay, so answer this in your notebook and then later we will study the answer all together. So pause the video and then do our activity. Okay, so now let's answer it. So number 1, a rational expression is an expression that can be written as a product of two polynomials. Okay, so the answer here is false. Because a rational expression is an expression that can be written as a quotient, not a product of two polynomials. Okay? So for number 2, the expression 3x minus 10 over x plus 4 is greater than 4 over 9. This is an example of a rational inequality. So the answer here is true because we have here a rational expression and the usage of greater than sign or an inequality sign. Okay, next, number 3. A rational function of the form p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial function, and q of x is a zero function. Okay, so the answer here is true. Okay, so because this is a definition of rational function. Okay, number 4. The expression 2x minus 13 over x plus 4 equals 3x over x plus 1 is an example of rational equation. Okay, so we have here let's examine the given expression. So we have here a rational expression on both sides and the usage of equal sign. So this is a rational equation. So the answer here is true. Okay. The expression f of x equals x squared plus 5 equals 2x minus 1 would become undefined if x value in the denominator is equal to 1/2. So if we substitute 1/2 to the equation to the function, so 2 times 1/2 that will be equal to 1. So minus 1 that will make the denominator 0. So the answer here will become undefined. So the answer is true. Okay, so ilan yung nakuha nyo class dito for our activity? Okay, very good. So, I think ready na kayo for our post test. Okay, so that's all for today. So, kung may natutunan kayo, just click like and share this to your classmates. Okay, thank you.